Hello, year 2. Today we're gonna draw a bird with different positions. Okay? First we're gonna draw that one. The standing bird, flying bird with different positions, and eating bird. He's eating here. So first we're gonna hide that. Start to draw. So I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. Here. So here I'm gonna draw oval. And oval circle here. Okay. Just wait a minute. Okay, standing, and then I'm gonna draw line to match between the circle and oval, not just straight line, just looks like that. Okay, make a curve here a little bit. Okay, to make a tummy for it. Bring razor, read this lines, zoom a little bit for you. Okay, how about the beak? It's front of him here. It's triangle shape, not like a parrot. Okay, just curve. Okay, and circle. Don't close from down. Then I'm gonna make the wing here. It looks like that. And feather, we're gonna draw separately feather. It looks like that. Okay. The tail from back here looks like that, and here too looks like that. Okay. And mine looks like that. And then the legs. Okay. He's standing, so the ground is flat. So his legs have to be looks like that. Okay. Two front and one back. See, have to be looks like that. You can see the rest of his the back legs. The back legs have to be looks like that. He looks like that. Okay, this is the first bird. This is the first bird. I'm gonna move to the next. Oh, to the next bird. Just wait a minute. I'm gonna move here. A little bit up here. This area I'm gonna draw the flying bird. Okay. So first I'm gonna draw oval. Okay. The bird, when it's flying, it looks up. Okay. So the circle have to be with the razor. Have to be the circle up here. It looks like that. Extra lines, we don't need it. Okay. So match between two. I think we need to read this circle because have to be closer to the oval. Okay. Just wait a minute. Okay. This is the circle. We're gonna match between them in this way. Erase, of course, this little part. We don't need it. Okay. And then the bird is looking up. So the beak have to be up here. Okay. I need to fix the circle a little bit. Oh, it looks like that. Okay. And he has a big tongue a little bit here. Erase this line. So how about the wing? The wing, it's moving from here, and it looks like that. Taking curve. Okay, looks like that. Curve here and back. Looks like that. But here, it's not taking the angle. It's have to be more soft. Looks like that. So I'm gonna erase this. Okay. Erase sure this line. Because the wing is going to hide this part. And from here, I'm gonna make a line, make an angle, and back here. It looks like that. Curve here, here, and here. Okay. How about another wing? It have to be the same. So it's already behind his body. So and behind his body and behind the first wing. So we can't see the wrist. So I have to take the same curve of this, but still away a little bit. You have to know the bird is moving. It's moving both of wings together at the same time. So never going to draw one of wings. It's up and another one down. Okay, be careful with that. So it looks like that. Curve here, circle here. And curve here. Okay, the legs, when he's flying, oh, it's flying. It's taking curve. Okay, looks like that. And here, looks like that. Okay, that's how to draw the second bird flying. Okay, I'm gonna move here to draw another one with different position. Okay, gonna draw oval. Okay, this bird looking down. So a circle close to the oval and looking down. The beak here because it's looking down. Okay, gonna match between the circle and the oval in this line. Looks like that. Okay, gonna be looks like that. From up, try to match it. Looks like that. Okay. Okay. And it's flying. She's looking down, or it's trying to landing. So she's opening her tail in this position. Put her wings up, looks like that. Okay. Looks like that. Okay. What happened? Just wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's happened? What's happened? What's happened? Okay. No, don't say it. Don't say it. Okay. Finally back. Okay. For here. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. We're gonna erase this line. Okay. And make a line here. And another wing is behind, so have to be here. and she's looking down, so her eye is down, looks like that. Okay, her legs inside his body, looks like that. Okay, gonna erase again. This is for the back one. Front, looks like that. Okay, it looks like that. Okay, the first, the second. It's behind, not all of it can appear. I'm gonna make the feather as a line, looks like that. Okay. I'm gonna move here. Let's check the place. Oh, we drew 3, so we have only 2. Okay. Here we're gonna do flying bird, but her wings is down and it's taking curve shape, and her head here. It's a circle, not as we learned. Okay, the wing looks like that. It's down. Okay, and lay this line and erase this line too. And here too. And the leg here. And the second wing, we can't see it because it's already behind his body and the wing in the same position. So we can see just one here. That is it. What can you see from the other wing? Now, and the last one, we're going to draw eating bird from the floor. She's eating seeds, so I'm gonna draw some points here as a seeds. Okay, and the legs here. Just wait a minute. Now I'm gonna draw the legs here, and it's standing, so the legs is already opened, looks like that. And another one here. So first I'm gonna make the oval shape here close to the ground because she's eating. Okay, so the circle have to be down, match between them. It looks like that. Another leg, yeah. Okay, it looks like that. And she's already standing, so the wing it's already beside its body, not away like flying position. The tail is down. It looks like that. Okay, and this is how to draw birds or one bird different positions. Okay, this is how to draw it. I'm gonna back to the last one, and you're going to color it with your own colors. You want to color all of them the same color, it's up to you. Different colors, it's up to you too. Okay, don't forget to write your name and send me your work directly. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time, inshallah. See you.